rainforests tell a story of life, diversity, and survival. Yet today, many of these ecosystems are facing increasing threats from human activities and climate change. As environmental student, understanding how ecosystem function is the first step toward protecting them. This fieldwork was not only an academic requirement, it was an opportunity to experience ecology beyond the classroom. Hello everyone, my name is Farhana Syalwani Zainal but people used to call me Anna. And in this video, I will be sharing my learning experience during the Biophoxes for firework to conduct at the Tropical Rainforest Conservation and Research Center, TRCRC, located in Elmina, Shah Alam. Throughout this fieldwork, we complete two practical activities designed to collection. We also attend an educational exhibition and talk conducted by the Department of Fisheries Malaysia, located at Dewan Annex, UiTM Shah Alam, which further broaden our knowledge of biodiversity conservation. TRCRC is one of Malaysia's leading conservation centers dedicated to protecting tropical rainforest biodiversity. Besides conserving endangered tree species, the center also carries out restoration program, scientific research, and environmental education. Visiting the center allows us to observe how conservation strategies are implemented in real life, while understanding the importance of restoring the forest ecosystem. Our learning journey began with Practical 1, where we explore one of the most fundamental concepts in ecology and biological research, variation within natural population, and how statistical analysis help us understand biological data. The objective of Practical 1 was to introduce basic statistical concepts, including mean, variance, and standard deviation, also correlation. We collect 3 sets of leaves from the same tree, with 10 leaves in each set giving a total of 30 leaves. For every leaf, we measure both the length and width before calculating the descriptive statistic. After collecting the sample, each leaf was carefully measured using a ruler. The measurement were then organized into tables, allowing us to calculate the mean, variance, and standard deviation for each set. Finally, all 30 measurements were plotted on a scatter graph to determine the relationship between leaf length and leaf width. Based on our analysis, the average leaf length for set 1, set 2, and set 3 were 10.27 cm, 9.32 cm, and 10.1 cm respectively. Although the values differ slightly, the means were relatively similar, indicating that the leaves originated from the same tree species, with only natural variation occurring among individual leaves. For leaf width, the mean values were 3.38 cm, 3.96 cm, and 5.64 cm. The third set required a noticeable higher average width, suggesting greater variability among those leaves. After analyzing variation using statistical method, we move on to practical 2, where we apply ecological sampling technique to investigate how organisms are distributed within a tropical rainforest ecosystem. Our second practical focus on understanding the factors that influence the distribution and abundance of organisms in a tropical rainforest ecosystem. Unlike the first practical, which involves statistical analysis, this activity requires us to observe the natural environment directly and apply ecological sampling technique using the quadrat method. Our group established a quadrat measuring for meter by centimeter within the study area. Every tree found inside the quadrat was identified, count, and recorded. We also measured the diameter at breast height or DBH for each tree. These observations were then used to estimate species density and to compare the distribution of plants within the study set. Throughout our sampling, several tree species were identified within the quadrat. Some species were represented by only a single individual, while others occur more frequently. These variations reflect the natural structure of a tropical rainforest, where different species occupy different ecological niches. The calculated density for each species also varied according to the number of individuals recorded within the sampling area. Species with a higher number of individuals show a higher population density compared to species represented by only one individual. After completing both practical sessions at TRCRC, our learning experience continued with an educational exhibition and talk organized by the Department of Fisheries Malaysia on next day.
3 Biophoxes
is a wrap!
this session expand our understanding of biodiversity conservation beyond terrestrial ecosystem and introduce us to the importance of protecting Malaysia's aquatic resources. The exhibition showcase Malaysia's rich aquatic biodiversity and highlight various conservation programs aimed at protecting freshwater and marine ecosystem. Through the interactive display, we gain a deeper appreciation of the country's aquatic resources and the importance of preserving them for future generations. This fieldwork has completely changed my perspective on ecology. Before participating in this practical session, many of the concepts that I learned in lecture seem highly theoretical. However, by collecting data directly in the field, observing different plant species, and analyzing ecological patterns, I realized that ecology is much more than scientific theories. It is the study of real interaction that shape every ecosystem. Practical one demonstrate how statistical analysis can be used to explain natural variation within a population, while practical to allow us to understand how environmental factors influence the distribution and abundance of organisms in nature. This experience strengthened my ability to observe, analyze, and interpret ecological data more scientifically. In addition, the exhibition and educational talk by the Department of Fisheries Malaysia remind me that conservation is not limited to forests alone. River, lake, and marine ecosystems are equally important, and protecting biodiversity requires continuous effort across all types of ecosystems. Overall, this fieldwork successfully connected classroom learning with real-world ecological application. It allowed me to develop practical skills in data collection, statistical analysis, and ecological sampling while deepening my appreciation for biodiversity conservation. As future biologists, our responsibility extends beyond understanding nature. We must also contribute to protecting it. Every observation we make, every sample we collect, and every ecosystem we help conserve bring us one step closer to ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you for watching.